Hey guys, in this video I will show you guys how to check all your Twitter login history. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end so you don't miss out on vital information. In saying that, let's dive in. So first things first, head over to your Play or App Store. Make sure Twitter is updated to the latest version. Once done, click on Open. And then on this page, click onto your profile. And then scroll down a little bit, and where it says settings and support, click onto that. And then click into settings and privacy. And then on this page, you'll see security and account access. Click into that. And then click into apps and sessions. And then on the third option, click into account access history. And then on this page, you need to confirm your password. So go ahead and put in your password. Once your password has been put in, click on confirm. And then you'll be brought to this page. So this page here, you'll be able to see all of your Twitter login page. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see more information about it. So that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.